HEART is an acronym for healing and education through the arts. And in these HEART activities, we have different activities that we do. We involve children in different kind of drawings, and then we also do paintings. We give them the paints, and after drawing, they paint, and we do sculpture, that is molding. And also we engage them in activities like music and dance. Basically, this music is they use locally available materials as the music instruments. Like we have the empty bottles that they use to drum. We have stones that they put in the bottles to make shakers, and then they use their hands, they sing, they dance. And the essence of all these activities to provide three things basically to the children. First of all, we intend to give them healing, because we understand most of these children come from different backgrounds. There are children who have been affected by war. There are children who have been going through a lot, even within the communities. And having them come together to participate in these activities is intended at giving them healing. And then secondly, these activities are intended at making them learn. Much as the activities are play activities, but through them we believe they do learn. For example, through the drawings, the children are able to develop different skills, the drawing skills, the fine motor skills, the expression skills, because after drawing, they are given an opportunity to explain what they have drawn. And sometimes we realize that when they draw and they explain, we get to realize actually a child is communicating something to us, something they have been going through and they have not been having the opportunity to tell someone, or there's no way they could tell. But through the drawings, we're able to understand what the children are going through and which support we need to give to the child.